haiwezekani.
The government has revealed plans to utilize the newly launched infrastructure fund to speed up the Nairobi River Cleanup project. Members of Parliament speaking during an inspection of ongoing works say the fund will help bridge financing gaps that have delayed key interventions. Lawmakers toured sites where sewer upgrades, flood control systems and river rehabilitation are underway, aimed at tackling pollution and recurring floods in the city. A major challenge remains a 3 billion shillings shortfall needed to stop raw sewage from flowing into the river. Once complete, the project is expected to restore the Nairobi River and significantly reduce flooding while improving sanitation across the capital.
Problem of increase of population and the sewer management problem has been a serious one. So I am very optimistic. This is a well-thought project, at least after many years, because I entered the trunk sewer and the height is about 1.8 meters. For that can accommodate quite a large volume of waste. So I am very optimistic that it's going to serve Nairobi very well. And the fact that actually the program has managed to move out people from riparian area is a very important thing. And we are appreciating the fact that, you know, Nairobi people are very notorious, but to have them move and create space for that program is something very, very important.
In terms of what is relevant to the Ministry of Water, we have seen the sewer trunk, which is covering about 54 kilometers, and I can say it is almost come out 40.
Yeah, this is about 10% progress.
Yes, it's about 10-15% progress. The project is progressing very well, and they are expected to complete by January 2027.